Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Mr. Popo Suryana, SAMSI, and Mrs. Lira Mustikasari, SAMSM, here we from Group 5 will show our text, which is to study business feasibility and beautiful nail art. Before starting, I will introduce myself. My name is Devi Sabrina Septi Chandra with NRP 2040100058. And my friend.
My name is Janessa Silviani Azahar and RP is 20401009
Next, introduction, business and product names. The business name we provide for this nail art service is Pretty Touch. Pretty Touch is taken from the word pretty, which means beautiful, and touch, which means touch. Thus, Pretty Touch has a meaning, namely a touch of beauty for a woman. And the tagline, for the tagline of our nail art service, namely Be Bright, Be Shine, because our nail art has results that make the appearance brighter and more radiant, which add to the beauty of a woman. And logonya seperti gambar ini. Next, market and marketing aspect. The main challenge for this business is how to build and maintain a healthy business in a changing market and environment. Demand development trend to the preparation, feasibility study, and this marketing mix, STP analysis. The first, segmentation. The segmentation of Pretty Touch nail art itself comes from several variables, namely, and the first, geographic variables. This Pretty Touch nail art is placed in a shop in a big mall in Bandung City, namely 23 Pascal Shopping Center, because Bandung is a densely populated city and the people are consumptive, so this it can be reached by the wider community. Jadi di situ terjangkau masyarakatnya yang sangat luas. Jadi mengambil di Mall 23 Pascal. And demographic variables. Consumer who are qualified based on age and profession are, the first yaitu toddlers 3 to 5 years, elementary to high school student 6 to 17 years old, college student 18 to 23 years old, career woman to 24 years old, and housewife to 19 years, elderly to 5 years old, and jadi dalam kategori pelajar SD SMA itu disesuaikan dengan kebijakan masing-masing di sekolah sendirinya. Beberapa sekolah swasta tidak ada larangan untuk melukis kuku gitu, jadi gak apa-apa. Dan the next itu ada psychography variables. Consumer who are influenced by modern lifestyle and have personally always want to look beautiful, accompanied by a high tasty and interest in nail art. Like those who have a hobby and make nail art, a routine that cannot be separated from their lives. Next, ada targeting. The main target of Pretty Touch nail art itself is student and adult women who, of course, have a hobby doing nail art makeup, have a personality to follow trends, and are not limited by certain tables of culture regardless of their income. Jadi, untuk wanita yang muslimah paling ditawarkan perawatan kuku yang tidak menjadi pantangan bagi mereka. Selanjutnya ada positioning. The positioning to be achieved in developing Pretty Touch Nail Art is a nail decoration service that reaches all students and women regardless of their income. Jadi sebagai jasa menghias kuku yang menjangkau semua mahasiswa dan perempuan tanpa membedakan dari pendapatan mereka. Next, Janessa.
Selanjutnya ada purchase motivation. Nail art is used to add beauty and as form of self-expression for a modern woman to appear more fashionable, look modern, and attract attention. Selanjutnya, specific factor affecting demand. Number one, current demand development. If you look closely, the demand for nail art will increase along with the development of lifestyle. Second, prospect of demand in the future. With increasing income, women's activities and lifestyle is beautifying appearance will become a habit of her. Apart from that, if the future nail art is predicted to be more deeper and attractive and become a trend along with the increasing number of activities of person who as nail art as fashion model. Next, competitor factor. The establishment of the Pretty Touch business cannot be separate from other business competitors. The following in the business identification carried out by means of analysis SWOT, SWOT for nail art business, namely strength. Number one, Pretty Touch is carrying out the nail painting process just top 5 main stage that other nail art outlets don't have. Second, Pretty Touch provide outlets that have a cozy concept, namely an adequate and attractive outlet for carrying out activities that can add smoothing, aromatherapy music, and brightness. A comfortable and adequate waiting room for visitors, more and complete equipment. Discount special price for regular customer as evidenced by a member card, as well as offering variation of nail art that are not yet available at other nail art outlets. Number 3, Pretty Touch sebelumnya. Number 3, Pretty Touch offer types of nail art variation, which one of most of them have been variable at art outlets before, namely water decal nail cover, UV gel nail art, extension nail art, 3D nail tip fake nails, airbrush nail tip fake nail, 3D sticker nail art, flash sticker nail art, frame sticker nail art, and stamp nail art. Selanjutnya, opportunity. Opportunity-nya until now, there are no outlets that provide a unique concept touch in their outlet, then from variation of nail art is tend to be the same in one outlet with another. D. Tweetnya, the emergence of new competitor is providing nail art service is problem that needs to be anticipated. Next. Description of the marketing plan. The marketing strategy and marketing mix are 70. Number 1 is product. Pretty Touch nail art products include water decal nail art, UV gel nail art, extension nail art, 3D nail tips, kuku palsu, airbrush nail tip fake nails, 3D sticker nail art, flash sticker nail art, frame sticker nail art, dan stamp nail art. Di sini contoh gambarnya yaitu beberapa contoh yang rencananya akan kita buat. Next. Price. The price set by Pretty Touch range from 65.000 sampai 300.000 karena kita memilih harga yang di atas harga standar karena sesuai dengan kualitas yang kita miliki. Selanjutnya, place. Pretty Touch Nail Art is located in the shopping center in the city of Bandung, namely 23 Pascal Shopping Center. Promotion, number 1, social media. Pretty Touch a social media promotion type 2 media, namely electronic media such as cell phone or smartphone, laptop, and print media such as brochure. Second promotion is sales promotion. Then Pretty Touch carried out promotion by way of sales promotion, namely participating in events such as bazaar or exhibition in crown center. People. Pretty Touch in its operation activities apart from the owner who is directly involved in the nail painting process, will also employ female therapists who are qualified and have been trained to be able to carry out the process of painting and nail care, as well as prioritizing hospitality in service customers, starting from attitude of respect for customers. Next. Process. Pretty Touch gas top 5 main stage which are the strength of Pretty Touch and are not done in the nail art outlets. The 5 main stages include cleaning the part of the nails to be painted in the form of tidying up the shape of the nail and waxing the nails, casting the base of the nail so that the original nails are not easily brittle. Giving the base color of the painting can also be done directly painting the nails. Painting the nails according to the motif the consumer wants. Casting the nails to make them look more shiny and of course last longer. Then for the nail treatment carried out according to applicant standard and producer. Practice process the present such as applying 3 As, namely smiling, greeting, and being polite. This will certainly make customer feel value and provide added value to Pretty Touch. And the last, physical evidence. Pretty Touch nail art outlets that will give the appearance of outlets that carry the concept of cozy, but in terms of layout, color gradation, and decoration such as wall sticker. Besides that, it is equipped with an audio system that produces music that supports the concept of cozy. It gives a smoothing aromatherapy fragrance as one way to provide convenience to customers, a comfortable waiting room, and of course a decade. And the most important thing is to provide good and clean equipment at the shop life.
Technical and technological aspect. Selection of business location. Pretty Touch chose a business location in a shopping center in the city of Bandung. The shopping center chosen is 23 Pascal Shopping Center, which is location at Jalan Pasir Kaliki nomor 25-27 Kabupaten Jeruk, Kecamatan Andir, Bandung City, West Java. Layout plan. The layout plan for Pretty Touch adapts to the store display that has been conceptual by the owner and adapts to the area of the room to be rented. Production process. Pretty Touch has operation hours for 6 working days, weeks, which are carried from Tuesday to Sunday and off on Monday. Activity will start at jam 11 pagi sampai jam 8 malam with a break 30 menit and 1 hours for employees depending on their level of work activity. And this, the Pretty Touch, the series of activity are as follows: greeting, direct selling, building work process, upselling, satisfaction feedback, conducting sales promotion, and publicity. And the last yaitu payment, seperti gambar yang ada di sini. And this, the main stake, are cleansing the part of the nail to be painted, in the form of tidying up the shape of the nails and washing the nails, choosing the best of the nails so that the original nails are not easy breathly. Giving the best color for the painting can also be done directly painting these nails. Painting the nails according to the motif the consumer wants. Final coating of the nails to make it look more shiny and of course durable. Jadi seperti gambar yang ada di sini, tahapannya itu. Next, Janessa.
Selanjutnya is production force. Pretty Touch will ask for female therapists as production work and will also be assigned by the owner who also plays a production role. Pretty Touch has special qualification for female therapists who are asked and preferable to who are still in their productive age, namely 20 years to 25 years. Previously, female therapists had been trying to be able to carry out the process of painting and caring for male as well as prioritizing trend lines in setting consumers, starting from attitude of respect for consumers. Next. Selanjutnya ada select technology. In the nail art business, we choose to use modern technology such as good sporting equipment with current and high quality. Di sini kita menggunakan metodologi pada umumnya seperti kebanyakan nail art lainnya, tetapi kita menggunakan teknologi yang lebih diperhatikan kebersihannya dan mengikuti perkembangan zaman. Next. Facilities, equipment, and other fixed assets. The facility asked to run this business is a small shop in a shopping center in the city of Bandung, which is modified like a nail salon with a cozy place. The interior and exterior of the room will be designed according to a predetermined concept to make it look attractive. The tools and equipment needed by Pretty Touch are comfortable chairs, 4 pieces, pointing chairs, 3 pieces, a medium-sized freezer, 3 pieces, display shelf or nail pops, 3 pieces, small storage box, 5 pieces, shelf, small trolley, 4 pieces, nail art printer machine, 5 pieces, nail polish or acrylic set, nail polish, sterilizing, nail dryer, 5 pieces, UV gel dryer, 5 pieces, hand soap bowl, 4 pieces, food soup bucket, 4 pieces, as well as other supporting equipment. Next.
Yaitu ada selection of location and place of business. The first multi-location option. The location chosen by use is a shopping center in the city of Bandung because in that city there are many young people and adults who are often looking for a place to eat while taking the time to just walk around or shop, and it is also affordable for young people and adults in big city. Following the trend of today, fashion development, so it is very suitable for the alternative location we have chosen. And chosen of location for our one atau ke satu, bisnis in Paris Van Java, Jalan Sukajadi nomor 131 sampai 139, Cipedas, Bandung, West Java. The advantage of this location is that it is one of the biggest malls in the city of Bandung, which is visited by young and old alike. The weakness in this location is the access road, which is prone to congestion. And the choice of location for our second business is at 23 Pascal Shopping Center, Jalan Pasir Kaliki, nomor 25-27, Kebonjeruk, Kecamatan Andir, Bandung City, West Java. The advantage of this location is that it is close to Binus University and also 23 Pascal, which is a mall I met at the middle to upper class because it has many shops with brand model luxury and also easy road access for private vehicles and public transportation. Next.
Selection of location relates to markets and raw material. The location we choose in the second location, namely 23 Pascal Shopping Center, because of its strategic location and easier road access, and it is also side by side with Pinus University and Yellow Hotel. With this design, it is expected to be able to conjure up the mall area as a center for business, education, and market creativity. Apart from that, space is available parking, easy road access, good road condition, and accessible by transportation at the location can be added value to the Pretty Touch business because an easy to reach business location will attract customers to come to the business location.
Rahim. Yang selanjutnya yaitu ada managerial aspect and human resource. Organizational structure. Pretty Touch use a line organizational structure where the authority of the organization is held directly by top management or top owner, which is applied to its employee to achieve success. Because Pretty Touch is also a type of business that has few employees, so the authority of superiors is aimed at subordinates and vice versa. The responsibility of subordinates is directly upwards. Next. Licensing. By bringing the complete requirement set by the 23 Pascal Shopping Center Management, such as a letter of agreement on a stamp duty, a photocopy of identification, and a down payment for renting a place. The licensing process will take approximately 1 to 2 weeks working days. Next.
Human research plan. The Pretty Touch business consists of 5 people, namely the owner who is also the director, supervisor, general department, and therapist. The job description of each is described as follows. Number 1 is owner. Responsible for overseeing the running of the business, managing monthly financial report, purchasing needed equipment and equipment, making promotion, and becoming a customer service relation officer, namely building good relationship with all customers, knowing customer needs and wants, understanding problem that the customer complain about, and providing the best solution for customers so as to foster customer loyalty. Number 2 is supervisor. Pretty Touch supervisor are core employees who are entrusted with responsibility for work activities, as well as being therapists to serve and handle customers. The supervisor is also responsible for daily finance. Number 3 is therapist. Therapist is a charge of setting of deadline with customer. And the last is general section. Pretty Touch has 2 criteria in employee recruitment, namely general criteria and special criteria. The general criteria required are honest, able to work together, able to communicate well, hard worker, disciplined, diligent, healthy, and have a clean and attractive appearance. Will the specific condition requirement are female and have a certificate of compliance from the Pretty Touch training program or for supervisor and therapist. Mastery of financial administration of for supervisor. Pretty Touch has several rules that must be implemented and obeyed by all employees. Regulations are made to determine the right and work obligation of employees and owners and to encourage instruction for work so as to ensure the smooth running and improvement of business. All employers are given an unspecified time work agreement. Regarding concession, employees are given session based on the level of violation. If the violation is not serious, then the employee will get a warning, and if the violence is very serious, such as telling, acting rudely to customers, the employee will be given harsh warning or even terminated from work. In terms of session, all employees must arrive on time. If the employee arrives late within 3 days during a week, a warning will be given. If the employee is unable to attend, the employer must ask permission from the owner and provide reason for his absence. Regarding work ethics, all male and female employees are prohibited from speaking harshly, carrying out abusive action toward customer and fellow employees, are prohibited from eating then providing service and not may leave the site during working hours without the permission of the owner. Every employer must wear the uniform provided by Pretty Touch. For the salary system, supervisors get a higher their salary compared to therapists and general departments because they have higher responsibilities and have multi-type jobs. For supervisor, therapists, and general department allowance, the same will receive meal allowance, transportation allowance, medical, and allowance, holiday allowance, business when reaching the target per month. The owner will often tour directly to the location to help and supervise the work of these employees. Supervisor will be given financial management knowledge because they are responsible for daily finance. All employees will be given training by the owner on how to serve customers properly and politely, how to communicate with customers, and how to persuade potential customers to be interested in the offer offered by Pretty Touch. To improve the skill of employees who are serve customers will be given regular training by the owner. Employees will be taught by the owner new creative ways to make nail art. The owner will continue to provide information about trending nail art care and beauty. Formal performance evaluation to find out whether the quality and work ethic of Pretty Touch employees meet the expected standard. Assessment of the quality of work carried out by the direct supervisor by giving a score of 1 until 10 based on 3 aspects which include technical ability, conceptual ability, and interpersonal relationship skills.
Selanjutnya yaitu ada financial aspect. Nail art Pretty Touch plan not to be in its kedengeran ya Tokopedia. Ulangi lagi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Selanjutnya yaitu ada financial aspect. Nail art Pretty Touch plans not to be in its own location but to rent one of the shop house in the big mall in Bandung, namely 23 Pascal Shopping Center. Next. With a yearly rental price of 45 juta, the rental price has been akumulasi dengan biaya pemeliharaan dan cadangan, biaya promosi mall, dan biaya listrik, dan total harga perlengkapan yaitu senilai 15 juta. Jadi tabel ini yaitu biaya investasi sewa ruko dan perlengkapannya. di urayanya, yaitu ada ruko seluas 8 meter persegi kali 5 meter persegi seharga 30 juta dan akumulasi perlengkapan rukonya yaitu seharga 15 juta dan berarti total investasinya yaitu sebesar 45 juta. Nah, di sini ada tabel perkiraan rencana pembelian peralatan dan perlengkapan. Jadi ada totalnya itu kan ada 17 juta 10 ribu. Itu tuh dari semua total perlengkapan dan peralatan nail artnya. Jadi harganya yaitu senilai 17 juta 10 ribu. Secara rinci bisa dilihat di gambar ini. Dan biaya operasionalnya yaitu sebesar 7.400.000, yaitu modal kerja yang diperlukan untuk mengembangkan nail art. Dan sumber pendanaannya yaitu senilai 100 juta diperoleh dari modal yang kami sendiri. Di sini ada perhitungan payback periodnya, yaitu ada rumusnya. Payback period sama dengan investasi dibagi kas bersih tahun dikali 12. Diketahui tadi kan investasinya senilai 100 juta dan kas bersih tahunnya yaitu 29 juta 490.000 dan dikalikan 12 yang berarti hasilnya yaitu 40,6 bulan atau dibulatkan berarti hanya 3 tahun. Next.
Selanjutnya ada business feasibility analysis, yaitu net present value. Kita menggunakan BI rate sebesar 5,75% dari suku bunga tahunan yang kami dapatkan setiap tahunnya. NPV-nya sama dengan sigma N per T sama dengan rumus AT per 1 dikurangi K kuadrat. Di sini kita 100 juta tuh dari pendapatan yang kita peroleh untuk modal, yaitu modal sendiri, dan 29.490 dari pendapatan per tahun kita. Dibagi 1 plus 0,0575 pangkat 1, yaitu dari BRF 5,75%, sehingga totalnya yaitu 100 juta rupiah ditambah 27.886.524,82 rupiah, yaitu dengan total 127.866.524,48 rupiah. Next. Selanjutnya di sini ada internal rate return. Yang pertama, perhitungan NPV dengan diskon rate yaitu 5,75% dengan rumus seperti pada gambar di samping, yaitu 100 juta rupiah ditambah 24.490.000 dari pendapatan per tahun dibagi 1 ditambah 0,0575 pangkat 1, yaitu 100 juta ditambah 27.886.524,82 rupiah dengan total yaitu 127.866,524,48 rupiah. Maka dengan NPV diskon rate-nya yaitu sebesar 6%. Dari diskon rate 6% yaitu diperoleh rumus sebagai berikut, yaitu 100 juta ditambah 29.490.000 rupiah per 1 tambah 0,0106 karena diskon rate-nya sebesar 6%, yaitu 100 juta rupiah ditambah 27.820.754,72 rupiah maka diperoleh total sebesar 127.820,754,7 rupiah. Next. Selanjutnya, internal rate of return, yaitu dilakukan interpolasi. Rumus IRR sama dengan P1 dikurangi C1, pangkat 4, P2 dikurangi P1 per C2 dikurangi C1, yaitu 5,75% dari BI rate suku bunga dikurangi dari total internal cost entity tadi, yaitu 127.866,524,48 juta rupiah dikali 6% itu dari diskon rate tadi dan dikurangi 5,75% dari BI rate suku bunga per tahun. Maka diperoleh 127.820,754,7 dikurangi 127.886,524,48 juta rupiah, sama dengan 5,75% dikurangi 127.866 dikali minus 5,69%, yaitu dari total 6% dikurangi 5,75%, maka dari minus 5,69% dikurangi per negatif 65,769,78 diperoleh hasil sebesar 11.060.448 rupiah,58. Maka, conclusion of financial aspect, the result of the financial analysis show that the project development IRR is RT 11.060.448,58 rupiah, positif entity of 127.866,524,48 at an assumed discount rate of 5,75% dari suku bunga per tahun and an investment payback period of 3 years. It is now that pretty touch nail art outlets are visible and profitable to release. Jadi modal bisa kembali selama 3 tahun kemudian karena usaha kami terbilang cukup kecil, maka dengan modal usaha kami cukup kecil dengan modal yang cukup besar, maka diperoleh untuk pengembalian modal selama 3 tahun. Di keseluruhan aspek kami simpulkan yaitu the investigator ability to finance this business is with the own capital collected by the investigator themselves, which are combined so that they can finance this business. The analysis of market and marketing aspects show the pretty touch prospects are quite good. This can be seen from the increase in the number of requests every year, educate ability of raw materials and supporting material and strategy relate to fairly good marketing mix. So that a general conclusion can be drawn, the Pretty Touch is now a salon business with an innovative mobile service concept that focus on customer satisfaction based on conclusion financial projection. It can be said the Pretty Touch worth it of the execution. Pretty Touch profit that will be abatement later will be reinvested to add new service to our business, with the hope that I can survive development and have the advance that this business is feasible to run. Even though it's a new business, the company hopes that Pretty Touch service can become a maintained and complete with the other nail art salon by having high hopes for this business so that it can be known by the wider community and many establishments with the advantage that the company has. Sekian yang bisa kami sampaikan. Mohon maaf bila masih banyak kekurangannya. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.